In what could be a blow for Tesla, the US based electric vehicle manufacturer, the government has said that it has no plans to cut import duties on electric vehicles. This comes days after Tesla CEO Elon Musk had expressed hopes that the Indian government will slash tax on imported electric cars. Krishan Pal Gurjar, who was recently inducted in the cabinet as the Minister of State in the Ministry of Power and Heavy Industries, said that the centre has no proposal to ease Tesla's entry into India. On Monday, he said no such proposal is under consideration in Ministry of Heavy Industries. He also added that the government is however taking steps to promote the use of electric cars by lowering domestic taxes and adding charging stations. Earlier, Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted that he is hoping for temporary tariff relief for electric vehicles. Musk had also said that Tesla wants to launch its cars soon in India, but Indian import duties are the highest in the world by far of any large country. Tesla last month wrote to the Transport and Industry Ministries requesting them to cut import duty on electric cars to 40% from the current range of 60 to 100%. Replying to YouTuber Madan Gauri, who requested Musk to launch Tesla cars in India, Elon Musk said that we want to do so, but import duties are the highest in the world by far of any large country. Moreover, clean energy vehicles are treated the same as diesel or petrol, which does not seem entirely consistent with the climate goals of India. In a separate tweet, Elon Musk also mentioned that Tesla will be willing to open a factory in India. However, there is a major caveat. The factory is only possible if the imported cars receive a good response in India. Tesla is planning its entry in India, and earlier this year the company even registered its brand in the country and has been hiring talent as well.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.